Hi everyone, today is the 6th of February 2021 and today is the Saturday and we just ended the week close. So I just want to update the trade of this week and what is the trade that is expiring. In fact, this week was a great week. I have a 100% winning trade this week. So the first stock I'm going to talk about is Apple, because I bought 100 share of Apple on Monday and then I sell a call, 136 call, and that make the position into a covered call. So that is my Apple trade on the 1st of February. I bought 100 share and then I sell a call. And my average price is 132, and because Apple has go up beyond 136, so my call will be called away, which means I'll be left with no Apple stock by the end of today. So the profit for this Apple will be $390 because I long the share at this price. And then I sell a covered call that bring my average price lower. So my profit will be $390. And then the next stock that I want to talk is the AMD. I opened the trade again, I think it's on around Monday. And I wanted to get in on AMD. So in fact, I sell quite close to the money put, which is 86, but AMD went up, so the put expire. But that doesn't matter because when the put expire, I get to profit from the put premium, which is 232. And then for BLNK, I did it on this week as well. I sell on the 29th of January. I sell the 42 put for $1.05. Again, the BLNK has actually go up. So the BLNK stock also expire worthless. So I get to profit another 105. And then for FUBO, it's the same thing. And FUBO, I did 2 contracts, selling a 30 put for 70 cents each. That I get to collect $140 for the FUBO, and that expired as well. And then I have NIO. NIO was a little bit special because I did another trade, but the other trade of selling a put, I update in an earlier video. That put is going to expire next week, so I'll update that. But this week alone, I sell a call on Monday or Tuesday. I sell a call on Tuesday because I long 100 stock of NIO at $58. So I sell a call for 59 cents. And that is my new trade. I sell the call for, it should be 59 cents. I'm sorry, I make a mistake here. So that should be the price. Roughly that is the price. So I get to profit on the NIO put for $59. So let me just make some amendment here. And then the other stock that I opened this week was SPCE. This is a space stock. This is a speculative stock. So I opened it on the, I think, Tuesday, 2nd of February. Yeah, so I opened the trade on a Tuesday. I sell a 40 put and now the price is 54. So I get to collect 44 cents, that is $44. So in total, these are the trade that is expiring this week, and all is a winning trade. So I have a 100% win, and the profit I get to keep is $970. So this week alone, on the put premium, I make $970. I don't have any other trade that is really going against me, but a lot of you ask me, is this my only strategy, or do I buy or sell share, or buy or sell stock? Yes, in fact I do. Just like yesterday, Friday, I did open a few stock of Tesla. I buy 5 stock of Tesla at about 844. In fact, I already have about 15 share of Tesla before that. So now I've added the Tesla, so my total contract on Tesla is 20. And my average price on Tesla is 743. So I do buy some share and sell some share, but not much. I will say 70 to 75% of my trade, I'm actually doing the wheel strategy. So moving on to next week, the stock that I wanted to get in, which I really wanted to be assigned, would be Apple and AMD. So for these two stocks, I will see where the market open on Monday. Either I buy the stock straight away and do a covered call, or I'll sell very close to the money put. That all depends. And then probably I'll add in also another TSM. TSM will be another chipset manufacturer just like AMD. So I wanted to get in on one of these, either AMD or TSM. And I do have NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I have some stock which is currently losing a few dollars. That's fine with me. And for the rest of the stock like BLNK FUBO or this SPCE, that will depend. I will see what is the sentiment on Monday and I will decide what to do. And I will just post a video when I do a trade on Monday. And if you want, you can just watch all my previous video. Then you should be able to follow up on all this trade. Because all this trade, when I do it, I did a video. So you can just look up my previous video. If not, thank you everyone, and I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday, because Monday usually I will sell some premium. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.